Can a machine be creative? Can it create art that moves, inspires, and stirs emotions within us? These are questions that have sparked a fascinating discourse in our society, as we stand on the precipice of an era where creativity and technology are converging like never before. For centuries, art has been perceived as an exclusive domain of human expression, a canvas painted with strokes of emotions, life experiences, and the artist's interpretation of the world around them. This traditional perception of art is deeply ingrained in our minds. Whether it's a masterpiece by Vincent van Gogh or a symphony by Mozart, we see these works as a testament to human creativity and emotion. But what happens when we introduce artificial intelligence into this equation? The concept might seem like science fiction, but it's an exciting reality we are living in today. Welcome to the world of AI-generated art. AI, or artificial intelligence, is a sophisticated technology that can learn, reason, and even create in ways that were once thought to be uniquely human. It's a technology that's breaking barriers and redefining our understanding of creativity. Imagine a machine that can create a painting, compose a musical piece, or even pen a poem. It's not just about replicating existing art styles or mimicking human creativity. It's about creating something entirely new, something unique that has never been seen or heard before. This is the magic of AI-generated art. It's a grand experiment at the intersection of science and art, of code and creativity. It's about pushing the boundaries of what's possible, exploring new territories of artistic expression. As we delve deeper into this topic, we'll discover how algorithms are turning the art world upside down, creating masterpieces that are as captivating as they are controversial. We'll look at how AI is not just changing the way art is created, but also how it's consumed and appreciated. So, are you ready to challenge your preconceived notions and explore this brave new world of AI-generated art? As we delve into the world of AI-generated art, prepare to challenge your preconceived notions. The journey of AI in the art world is not as recent as you may think. Indeed, this fascinating fusion of technology and creativity has been brewing for decades. The seeds were sown as early as the 60s, when pioneers began to experiment with simple algorithms to create patterns that mimicked artistic styles. These early forays into the realm of AI and art were rudimentary but groundbreaking, laying the groundwork for the more complex machine learning models we see today. In the 70s and 80s, as computers grew more powerful and accessible, artists and programmers alike started exploring the potential of digital art. Remember the fascinating fractal landscapes and intricate geometric patterns of this era? They were the fruits of these early explorations, pushing the boundaries of what was considered art. By the turn of the new millennium, AI tools and software were becoming more sophisticated. Artists started using AI to generate not just patterns, but actual pieces of art. Algorithms were taught to learn from thousands of images, to understand patterns, colors, and styles. They could then produce original works that were eerily similar to human-created art. A prime example of this is the portrait of Edmond de Bellamy, an entirely AI-generated artwork that sold for a whopping $432,000 at Christie's auction house. But it wasn't just about imitating human art. Artists started using AI to push the boundaries of what was possible, creating entirely new styles and forms. They used AI as a tool to augment their creativity, not replace it. As AI grew more advanced, it found its way into other forms of art too. Music, literature, film, AI was leaving its mark everywhere. But that's a tale for another time. The evolution of AI in art is a testament to how far we've come in our quest to marry technology and creativity. It's a story of innovation, of pushing the boundaries of what's possible, and of redefining the very nature of art. And it's a story that's only just beginning. Scene script. AI's creativity is not confined to a canvas. It has found its expression in music and literature too. Imagine this. A symphony, rich and harmonious, resonates through the air. The notes dance and weave, creating a melody so profound that it touches your soul. But who's the composer? Not Mozart, not Beethoven, but an artificial intelligence. AI has been composing music, complete with harmonies and melodies that could rival those of classical maestros. Using deep learning algorithms, AI can analyze patterns in music, understand the nuances, and create compositions that are, quite literally, out of this world. But AI's foray into the arts doesn't stop at music. It has stepped into the realm of literature as well. From crafting compelling narratives to penning poignant poems, AI is proving its prowess. It has even written entire novels, with plot twists and character arcs that keep readers engrossed. By learning from a vast array of literature, AI can generate text in various styles, emulating the literary greats while also bringing something new to the table. In each of these forms, AI-generated art has its unique aspects. In visual art, AI can create images that transcend the boundaries of human imagination, combining colors and shapes in ways we could never conceive. In music, AI can compose symphonies that blend elements from various genres, creating a fusion of sounds that is entirely novel. And in literature, AI can weave narratives that incorporate elements from a wide range of genres and styles, resulting in stories that are both familiar and fresh. But what's truly fascinating is how AI learns and evolves in its artistic expression. It's not just replicating what it has been fed, it's interpreting, experimenting, and creating. It's taking the seeds of human creativity and nurturing them in ways we could never anticipate. The realm of AI-generated art is vast, diverse, and continually expanding. It's a brave new world out there. AI is not just creating art, it's reshaping the creative industry. As we delve deeper into the influence of artificial intelligence on creativity, we find a landscape that's dramatically shifting. Imagine the creative process as a dance. Traditionally, it's been a solo performance, an artist and their medium moving in synchrony. But with AI, it's evolving into a duet, a collaboration between human intuition and machine precision. Artists are now working hand in hand with algorithms, using them as tools to push the boundaries of their creativity. But this partnership also raises some intriguing questions. What happens when the brush, the chisel, the pen are controlled not just by human hands, but by a machine's mind? Who owns the creation when the creator is also the created? AI is also transforming the way we consume art. With machine learning algorithms, we can now explore and appreciate art in ways we never thought possible. Algorithms can analyze and understand art styles, allowing us to see the intricacies and nuances of a piece that might have been invisible to the naked eye. Moreover, AI is changing how we perceive art. For years, art has been the domain of human expression, a testament to our unique capacity for emotion and imagination. But as machines begin to create, we are forced to reevaluate our understanding of creativity. Is it an inherently human trait, or can it be replicated, even surpassed, by artificial intelligence? These are not just philosophical musings, but questions that are shaping the future of the creative industry. From the individual artist grappling with the role of AI in their work, to galleries and museums adapting to a new era of machine-made masterpieces, the impact is far-reaching and profound. The creative industry is not just being influenced by AI, it is being redefined by it. Artists, curators, and consumers alike are navigating this brave new world, where creativity and technology intertwine in exciting and unpredictable ways. The creative industry is in the throes of an AI revolution, and it's a space worth watching. As we stand on the cusp of this AI-driven creative revolution, what does the future hold? Let's take a moment to reflect on what we've discussed. We've explored the intersection of art and artificial intelligence, witnessed the dawn of AI in the art world, and seen how it's expanded from visual art to music and literature. We've also delved into the profound impact AI is having on the creative industry. Looking ahead, we find ourselves in a world where creativity is no longer the sole domain of humans. As AI continues to evolve, we can expect to see a surge in AI-generated art. This could range from paintings and sculptures to music compositions and literary works. The technology is also set to become more accessible, allowing anyone with a computer to become an AI artist. This democratization of creativity could lead to a flood of new art, as diverse and varied as the individuals creating it. Yet, as with any technological advancement, there are challenges to consider. Ethical questions around originality and copyright will continue to surface. We will need to redefine what it means to be creative and rethink how we value and appreciate art. But despite these challenges, the potential benefits are immense. AI could help artists overcome creative blocks, provide new tools for expression, and even create art that responds to the viewer's emotions in real time. As we move forward, it's important for us to stay open-minded. Let's not be quick to dismiss AI-generated art as less valuable or less meaningful. Instead, let's embrace it as a new form of creativity, one that combines the best of human ingenuity and technological innovation. So, what's your take on AI-generated art? Will you dismiss it as a novelty, or will you dive in and explore this new frontier? Remember, there's no right or wrong answer here. The beauty of art is that it's subjective, open to interpretation, and continuously evolving. The fusion of art and AI is not just about technology, it's about reimagining creativity. So, are you ready to embrace this new wave of creativity? Remember to subscribe to Brainiacata for more thought-provoking content. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.